today we're opening a new magnet. I'm so excited. And here's a magnet. Here's some triangle. Here's blue and green stairs. I'll show you how to build a house quickly. So we need some squares here, and I'm just gonna put it right here. Next we have a door. We can also put a roof. Now we're gonna need some triangles, and here's the house we build. Now we have a different kind of magnet also. There's all different kind of colors. And I'll show you also how to show you to build the house quickly. So we get this. Then we're going to need more magnets. I know I'm building really quickly. And here's the house. Now we have the new magnets. I'll show you the box. You can build a castle. And here's all different kind of magnets, new one. We can make a train, a house, and a train wagon. You can see closely right here, a train, a house, and a train wagon. Now let's get opening. Where did my scissors go? Oh, it's on the floor. Okay, so I'm going to put the box here, cut it up, open. Okay, now put my scissors down here. Now, whoa! Here's instructions. I'm gonna put it down. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the magnets one by one. Here's the wagon, the train wagon. Put here. And here's a green magnet. It looks like an E. Put it down here. Now, here is triangles. We'll put it down. Here is more triangles. Green and yellow and red. Here's yellow and blue. Now, we'll take out carefully. So here's green windows. Here's all different kind of colors. Now the squares, all different kind of colors. There is more squares, and here's a bag so we can play, then put it in and don't lose it. I'll show you right now, the back and front. Now if we can we do this so it don't fall down. And to undo it, we just do this, and that's how you undo it and get all of your magnets out. Now I'm gonna put the box inside, right? Let's close this and play with the magnets. Okay, now I build a little bit. Let's put it on the top part. Okay, and here's our train. Choo choo. The pullers press. build a house right here. Hi, moms. And there's more mammals here. And this mammoth today. And play with them. And we're opening this. Play in the mammoth. Hooray! New toy. Let's open it. Oh, and let's open it up. Bum, bum, bum. There. Cut this. Bum, bum, bum. Wait. Bum, bum, bum. Wait. Bum, bum, bum. And wait. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, open the box. And I got the Tytan right here. Like not this guy, that guy. Build it of mammoths and move it. Choo choo, huh? Yeah. Build it. Ew. Oh no. He died. Much. And this? What? Neat. There. Okay. Did you? Build your car. I'm building a beautiful, lovely house. It'll be like my perfect little house I built here. Now I destroyed it. So sorry. Why, Punitha? I love to build it. So what? Okay, I'm gonna make my house really bigger. And a hot dog. I also make a hot dog. What does the hot dog look like this? Yeah? No, Punitha. It's made of cardboard. Triangles. No. Oh no! What happened? Let's go get it. Come on. Yeah! Really a big explosion. I'm floating. Yeah! Okay, that's it for today. Bye! Bye! I'm making a hot dog and quick. Like and subscribe, hit the bell, and bye! I'm gonna play more. I'm play. Bye-bye! Woo! This looks like a meatball. And now there's exploding. Yeah. Is it possible?